Realme GT5 240 watts. So slim, your palms will tingle. 8.9 millimeters. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is a bit chunkier at 9 millimeters. But hey, weight matters, right? GT5, 205 grams. Ace 2 Pro, 210 grams. GT5, I'm shiny, fancy, and a little metal. Ace 2 Pro, I've got Gorilla Glass. I'm tough as nails. They both play it safe with dual nano SIMs and no water resistance. It's a tie. These bad boys have AMOLED displays, but wait, it gets interesting. Realme shows off 144 hertz, OnePlus struts with 120 hertz. They both play on a 6.74-inch playground. OnePlus wins the screen battle by a tiny margin, 93.9% versus Realme's 93.7%. Resolution, aspect ratio, and pixel density, they're fighting like heavyweight champs. Realme and OnePlus groove to Android 13, but with their own funky UI moves. Realme 4.0 versus Color OS 13.1. They both have the same powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, flexing their octa-core muscles. Adreno 740, the GPU referee for a fair fight. Realme flexes with 24 gigs RAM, while OnePlus has options, 12, 16, and 24 gigs. It's like picking between a fancy buffet and a fancy menu. GT5 packs a whopping 1 terabyte, while Ace 2 Pro offers 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and even 1 terabyte. A storage feast for tech lovers. Let's get this show on the road. Camera battle, 50 MP wide, 8 MP ultra wide, and tiny 2 MP macro lenses. Boom. Both videos pack a punch with 4K at 3060 FPS. Knockout. Small screen. A big masterpiece. Get into position. The front-facing cameras are identical twins with 16 megapixels each. This video captures a close-up encounter in 1080p at 30 frames per second. How about we have a selfie battle? Sound rocks. GT5 240 watts and Ace 2 Pro have Dolby Atmos speakers, but no 3.5 millimeter jack. Oops, no headphones, just a massive silent disco. A GPS rendezvous, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3 are all features offered by both competitors. They both have more positioning power and incorporate Bluetooth features, including 2DP, LE, and aptX HD. With NFC as a foundation and USB Type-C 2.0 as a backbone, connectivity is assured. It's a tech orchestra. Let's discuss the extras. This feature-packed showdown has face unlock, fingerprint wizardry beneath the display, and a potpourri of sensors. These two smartphones, the Realme GT5 240 watts and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, engage in a war of utility that involves everything but the kitchen sink. OnePlus 5,000 mAh battery, Realme 4,600 mAh battery. Rock on. Realme charges at 240 watts, OnePlus at 150 watts. Realme wins the race. Blink and your Realme is 20% juiced. Realme 30 sex yard 2-hour talk. Challenge accepted. OnePlus keeps durability rating secret. Mystery intensifies. Realme shows off starry Oasis and flowing silver, while the OnePlus struts in with titanium gray and aurora green. Realme is here, priced at $462 for the 24 gigs RAM version. Cool deal. OnePlus has options galore. $302 for 12 gigs RAM, $434 for 16 gigs RAM, and $518 for 24 gigs RAM. Wallet war ends with a price punch. Everyone DigiDuelers, that's all. We were left breathless by the titanic fight between the Realme GT5 240 watts and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. In the smartphone category, which one do you think is the best? Leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more thrilling online battles. Take care till our paths cross again.